The UEMXDOX 2025 Kids Tablet is designed to spark curiosity and learning with its pre-installed educational games and Google Kids Space, making it a perfect companion for children aged 3 and above. Parents can easily manage their child's digital experience using Google Family Link, which helps in setting screen time limits and monitoring app usage for a balanced online environment. This tablet runs on the optimized Android 15, featuring 8 gigabytes of RAM for smooth multitasking and 64 gigabytes of internal storage, expandable up to 512 gigabytes for ample space. Its kid-tough design includes a durable case and ergonomic shape, ensuring comfort and protection from everyday bumps and drops. The UEMXDOX Kids Tablet, with its multi-angle stand case, offers flexible viewing angles, making it suitable for drawing, watching videos, or reading. This tablet is an ideal gift for children, supported by dedicated product support to enhance the user experience.